Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and greetings to all of you. I respect Mr. Fiskia Rera, BST MT, and Mr. Sharifa Suryana, SPD MPD, as supervisor from English course. Introduce me, Muhammad Khalis Kalbi Apal, with student ID number 210208501014 from the MPT Class 1 family. Welfare Education, Faculty of Engineering, Makassar State University. On this occasion, to fulfill the final assignment from the English semester, I will show you how to make fried rice. To make time efficient, let's go straight to the tutorial for making fried rice. The first step, chop the onion, garlic, and heat the oil in the frying pan. The second step, input the ingredients that haven't been chopped into the skillet, contain hot oil, and input eggs. The third step, enter the rice, then give the seasoning, soy sauce, and stir until evenly distributed. The fourth step, serve the fried rice on a plate, and this the final look. That was the explanation of the tutorial on how to make fried rice. I thank the supervisor from this course for giving me a final project like this, so that I can add more knowledge. I also apologize if there are any wrong words or pronunciation in the process of making this fried rice. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.